Welcome back to our new tutorial on how to set up marketplace and commission payments in classified listing plugin. Turn your classified listing website to a commission-based marketplace website using classified listing marketplace add-on. Before starting, you must need to install and activate Marketplace add-on. Go to the settings, then Marketplace. Enable this button to select your specific categories. Then from Listing Archive options, enable Add to Cart button and Quantity field in the Listing Archive page. From Commission and Payment, enable Payout and Commission button. For the commission rate, you can set it as per your requirements. Then minimum payment amount. It allows user to send payment request if earned the amount minimum. There are three types of payment method to allow seller for amount withdraw. For direct bank transfer, you can select any type. You can further customize according to other options. Then save your changes and let's go to visit the view. For this, go to the My Account page. Firstly, we need to log in there with our email and password. This is the interface of our My Account page. And these are the ad listings. Go to the order to see the order history. And this is the dashboard interface. Now let's log out to move forward. This is our listing archive page. Now click on this to see the listing details page. Now let's try to buy an item from seller listing. Fill up this checkout page with the required information like name, country name, street address, city, district, postcode, phone, email address, and then click on this button to place your order. Here, this is our order invoice with the order details. Now go back to dashboard, home, then go back to the dashboard of your classified listings. Then commission. You can now check the order from admin end. Now click on any order to overview the order details. You can also see the ad from here. To see the status of your order, go to the My Account page, log into this. Now check order from seller dashboard. Here the order status is still showing on hold. It will be displayed the order status unless the admin approves it. So go to the dashboard of classified listing and the commission. Make this status completed from admin end instead of on hold. To check this, go to the My Account page, provide your username or email and password for login. Then go to the orders. Here you will see the order status automatically turned into complete in seller dashboard. Next, go to the payout. Let's see now how to set payout method to withdraw your earning. Click Set Payout Method on the right of the top. You can choose any one between direct bank transfer and PayPal. You just need to add your bank details to withdraw fund for direct bank transfer. Now save your method and see the difference here. But if you notice the withdrawal history, the status is showing pending. In this situation, admin need to complete this. For this, go back to the dashboard of your classified listing. Then payouts. Here we can see the seller amount and the payout status, which is still pending. Now click on it. Admin can accept the payout request from pending to paid. Now update the status. Now back to the payout from seller dashboard. Withdrawal status is showing paid in this seller dashboard. Then go to the orders and now have a look in the order history. This is how you can set up marketplace and commission payments. Thank you for watching.